So this is one of the most intensive lineups of logging equipment I've ever seen at the Ritchies. I think the 2008 Vancouver Island, the Shemaina sale rivaled it. But for the Chilliwack one, this hasn't been done here before. It's mainly from two companies. Won't do individuals, just try and walk the whole line here. Some of this stuff's only got 1,200 hours, 300 hours. It's 2013s and 14s. That Tigercat's new. I suspect some of these will get bought up on the American side and go cross-border. I think that Deere's only got 1,000 hours or something on it, or a couple thousand or less. It's really low. Actually, I'm going to stop here. It's going to take me another couple minutes to walk down to the end.